So if you ever need to change the battery on your MINELAB XTerra Pro, it is a very easy process. Just like the Equinox 700, 900 and Manicore, the XTerra Pro has a user replaceable battery. It's held in by 4 Allen head screws. And once you remove those, the control pod will come right off. So to start that, I have 3 removed. You want to unlock the locking mechanism here so it's not putting pressure on the control pod. And there are metal inserts in the XTerra Pro, so it makes it very easy to screw these in and unscrew them. So this is just an Allen head bit that I have on a mini screwdriver here. We can remove the clip. Okay, when we remove the clip, we'll see a black plunger cap right there. That's holding the battery in. It's going to take some pressure, but if you put your thumb on the side and pull back, it'll pull off. Okay, MINELAB recommends not adding any silicone lubricant around this O-ring. I know on the Equinox 600 and 800 they recommended using a little. In the XTerra manual, it recommends not using any. So we just have a Q-tip there just to wipe it off and make sure that it's in good condition. You'll see our battery right there. It'll slide right out. We have a thumb clip right there. We just push down on the thumb clip, pop it off, take our new battery, pop it in. Okay. When we're putting this back in, we want to make sure that we're not crimped along the sides or have this clip wedged anywhere. So just make sure it's going down first. Your battery will slide right in. You'll feel it seat down the bottom. Before we put this on, we're just going to take a quick look at our O-ring, make sure our O-ring is nice and clean. There are no cracks in it. When we put it back in, we'll see a longer end and a shorter end there, so we want to line those up. Take our thumb in the center and push down. You're going to hear the speaker pop in and out a little bit. That's completely okay. It's just relieving pressure inside of the control head. Then we're going to hold it in place. Take our clip. Now we want our clip facing the back, but we're going to leave it open like that so there's no pressure. Now when we hold them together, you should see that there's no space in between. That means that we have sat our battery correctly into place. We're going to take these 4 screws. We'll thread all of them in just snug, and then we'll go around and tighten them up a little bit. We don't want to put too much pressure on these. We don't want to strip anything out. All 4 should thread nicely, easily into place. Flip it over, do the other 2. Make sure you're not cross-threading. If you have to put any pressure at all, take the screw out and start over. You don't want these to be cross-threaded, and they should go in nice and easily. All right, all 4 are snug, so I'm just going to give a little turn on each one, tighten them up a tiny bit, flip it over, tighten it up a tiny bit, make sure all 4 are snug. We'll be able to move our head now, lock it into place, hit the power button, it'll say coil disconnected. That's it, and we're ready to go. Everyone, I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. 1935, look at that silver. Oh, I thought it was going to be an LC. Look at that shine up. Wow. That's it, Mike. Let's throw it back in the hole.